What are you doing, Nutter? Ready for a nap?
You people are so boring. My goodness.
Okay, so what's your favorite thing to do here?
My favorite thing to do is sleep in a crate that's not big enough for me. It's an open crate,
Yeah.
and we won't tell anyone, but it sits on a desk. And it's an open crate, and I jump up there, and I shove my fat butt in there, and I flop down.
It's really funny.
And then my feet hang out, my head hang out, but I love it there.
And some blubber comes through the wire.
It really does.
But you don't care.
No, it's a good time.
You're like, so you might like an open crate
Yes,
in
that
your
would be
next
fun.
home.
Yep. These are good.
They are.
So I've got like wiry hair.
A little bit.
Like a medium wiry hair back here.
You're a funny boy.
I shed.
So, you do. You have hair on your face.
Sorry.
We have your baby picture even. You came with a baby picture.
Oh my goodness! That's
I know.
so nice. They saved my baby picture and sent it with me.
So you got evicted.
I got evicted along with my brother.
Yep. Because they adopted 4 children.
That was really nice of them.
But you did great with the children.
Yep. The existing children may have had some allergies or something.
No, the other children, the 4 new children had allergies.
Oh, something. I don't know.
So we're really sorry.
That's okay. I don't have allergies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Alrighty.
bye.
Bye.